Radial immunoassay is a powerful technique. It helps scientists measure tiny amounts of substances. This is important in many fields like medicine and environmental science. Imagine trying to find a single grain of sand on a beach. That's how hard it can be to detect some substances. Radial immunoassay makes it possible. The assay relies on the amazing ability of antibodies to bind to specific targets. Antibodies are like security guards. They patrol our bodies, searching for invaders like viruses and bacteria. Each antibody has a unique shape that fits perfectly onto a specific target called an antigen. When an antibody finds its matching antigen, it latches on tight. This binding is the key to radial immunoassay. In this technique, we use a special type of gel that contains the antibody. We then add a sample that might contain the antigen we're looking for. If the antigen is present, it will bind to the antibody in the gel. To begin, a small well in the gel is filled with the sample. Next, the antigen from the sample and the antibody in the gel bind together, forming a complex. This complex creates a visible ring or a precipitate ring around the well. The size of the ring tells us how much antigen is in the sample. A larger ring means more antigen. Radial immunoassay is a versatile tool with diverse applications. It can detect drugs, hormones, and viruses. In medicine, doctors use it to diagnose diseases. In research, scientists use it to study complex biological processes. Radial immunoassay has revolutionized scientific understanding. It helps us unlock the secrets of the microscopic world, leading to new discoveries and advancements.